Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn and today we're going to be making a simple yet rich and flavorful Nigerian smoked fish stew. Now this stew is packed with authentic flavors and is perfect for white rice, yam or plantains. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to soak my smoked fish in salt and hot water so that it softens, and this will enable me wash and debone them. And also the list of ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box so you can check that out much later. Next, I'm going to heat up some palm oil and some vegetable oil over medium heat. You can also use palm oil alone, but I love adding a little vegetable oil because I don't want the taste from the palm oil to be too overpowering. I'm going to allow the oil to warm up a bit, then I'll go in with my already washed and deboned smoked fish, and I'll stir fry this for a couple of minutes. I always love to fry my smoked fish in oil whenever I make this recipe, as this process adds a whole lot of flavor to your stew rather than just tossing your fish into your tomato and pepper mix. So guys, try doing it this way and I assure you you'll thank me later. I'm going to let this fry for about 5 minutes while constantly stirring. After about 5 minutes, I'll go in with some tomato paste and I'll stir to combine, and I'll let this fry for about 5 minutes while stirring. Now make sure you fry your tomato paste for at least 5 minutes whenever you cook, because the heat caramelizes the tomato paste and it also deepens its flavor. Next, I'll be going in with some blended peppers and tomato mix. So in there, I have 3 medium-sized tomatoes, half of 1 medium-sized onions, 2 habanero peppers, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 paprika pepper. You can just combine your tomato and pepper mix however you want. I'm going to stir to combine, and I'll cover and let this fry for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat, making sure I stir occasionally. So this is after about 5 minutes, and I'm just going to stir this once again and I'll cover. Now you know when your stew is ready when the oil begins to separate from the sauce. So at this point, you can see that the oil has separated from your stew or your sauce, and you'll know that your tomato and pepper mix is ready. I'm just going to stir this a little, then I'll add some leftover meat stock I had in the fridge. Now this process is optional, but this is just to loosen up the sauce and also intensify its flavors. Once I've added my meat stock, I'm just going to stir this for a bit and I'll cover and let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. So guys, after about 4 minutes, I'll season with some crayfish powder and 1 seasoning cube. You don't need too much for this recipe, and you will notice I didn't add any salt, and that's because the meat stock was well seasoned. However, you can taste for salt and adjust to your preference. I'll stir everything to combine, and I'll just let this simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes, and after that your stew should be ready. And there you have it guys, your quick and easy Nigerian smoked fish stew is ready to be served. So I paired mine with some boiled yam, and much later I had it with white rice. You can pair this with whatever you prefer. It is so versatile and it is so good. So guys, I urge you to try this recipe. I promise you're going to love it. And if you do try it out, please let me know how yours turned out in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.